Hello, I'm going to share our design called Simple Plus, which is a mobile phone apps that you can control over the printer over phone. This is the sign-in page when the user download the apps and double click and click on the apps, and we show and firstly it will show the sign-in page to users. As for each printer, it will comes with the unique account IDs and PIN number and a unique QR code available for user to log in through phone. So users can choose either input the account ID and the PIN number or scan the QR code to log into their account and control their printer. So I will try one of the method, which is inputting the ID. Once I input the ID here and input the PIN number, and I click login, it will show me to the home page. The home page includes 4 functions, which are print, copy, scan, and setting. So once we go to the print page, we will see the major items we can print, including image, PDF, office, test, and certificate. Also, when we look down there, we can check the status of the connection with the printer now. When it shows active, it means the printer and your phone is connected successfully. So if the status show disconnected, and it will there is 2 tips show you the connected arrow. It means that the connection is lost. So when this happens, we can click button of the disconnected, and the apps will show you the page of the arrow detection. In this case, usually when the arrow occur, the system can show you the arrow detection page and detect the arrow automatically. Now it shows the loading status saying detecting the arrow for this model of the printer. And after that, once the detection is done, it will show a notification box to the user and let them to choose if they would like to repair or not. Once the user click yes, it will automatically repair for the user and connect with the printer once again and show them to the active page. However, if the users click no, and the system will bring them back to the arrow page, which is the disconnect page. Okay, let's continue the print page. So when we look for the right hand side of the status, we can see there is a new function we developed for this design, which is the long distance print. When users they are not at home and they would like to print something out from their home printer, it make it possible for them to print it out when they are not at home. So they just simply click this long distance print and do the usual procedures as the same as the usual printing we did, and then they can print out something they want. And at the bottom of the process bar, this indicates the status of the ink. So now it shows the color is green because we still have 50% of the ink. If the amount of the ink is below 20%, the color will turn red, and it will put an alarm to the user, say you need to notify them the ink is running out and they need to add more ink for the printer. So as for the print page, we have one more particular function which is newly developed we would like to introduce, which is the text edition. Once we click the text, it will show us to the text printing page. For the text printing page, we can get the file we would like to print from the cloud download, which store the files on the cloud of this account. And we can also choose the local doc. This is a local document stored within this app. So once we choose the specific document we would like to print and we would like to edit, the content of the document will show as below here within the editing box. Then we can start editing. Once we finish editing, we can save and upload this content to the cloud upload. Also, we can click the print button and then print it out the adjusted content we made. Let's go back to the main page. The next function I would like to share is the copy. So for the copy function, it's pretty much the same as the usual one we have. So, we have this 5 type. You can adjust the page and adjust the scale as well as the size and resolution of the copy content you have. Then you can click save and then start copying. Or if you don't want to select this above, you can just simply click the default and it will change to the default setting for your copying content. So next is the scan function. For the scan function, you can change the color mode to colored or the black and white. You can also adjust the contrast, lightness, as well as the new function we developed for the scan area size. So as for this, we just simply click this and it will show us to a tailoring page. In this page, you can upload the document, just like the document you already scanned, and then open it. This is the whole document we scan, but sometimes we would like to just crop part of the document we scan and we don't need that much content. We can use the scissors icon. Just click the scissor icon and then it will allow you to crop as much as you want. And then for the idea of that is to save the ink for the printer. Also, sometimes we can customize the content for what we would like to print. So after we crop the size of the pictures or the content, we can choose yes, the tick icon, or choose no, the delete icon to crop again, or just delete what we cropped just now. So if we click the tick icon, it will go to the scan page again, and then the content you cropped it already saved, and it will show you tailored it successfully. And after that, you can click scan and start scanning the specific content you want. That's all of the content of our new idea and the prototype we developed for our Symbol Plus. Thank you for watching.